This is our Nissan. Okay, beautiful views. Okay, this is inside the Nissan. It's pretty capable for smaller projects. It's a beautiful view here. So today we're gonna be working on a Yale lock that got jammed, and we're putting a Schlage lock instead of it. So hey Leo. So this was the Yale. So we had the Yale here previously, and what happened? The bolt just snapped off. It broke off and got stuck in the lock position, and there was no way to, in any way, from inside or outside. Okay, see you on the other side.